Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 10 Bengali sentences that you can probably translate only few of them, and I'm going to tell you how it is told in native English speaking country. If you want to give it a try, then here it is. Just pause this video for a few moments and try yourself or check yourself how many you already know and how many you don't. The first one is current চলে গেছে current বাংলাদেশে চলে যায় আমি মনে করি এটা এটা জানা উচিত would you say current has gone? No, it doesn't fully make sense. From today you must say power has been cut off, or say only in 3 words, power went off. Number 2, টি-শার্টটি উল্টো পড়েছেন, মানে ভিতরের অংশ বাহির, বাইরের অংশ ভিতরে। নেটিভ স্পিকার সে দিস এক্সপ্রেশন লাইক ইয়োর টি-শার্ট ইজ ইনসাইড আউট। ভেরি সিম্পল। নাম্বার 3, বোতলের মুখটা লাগাও, লাইক দিস, cork. Is it fair enough saying lock the face of the bottle? No, it sounds wet. You should say please screw the cap of the bottle, screw, or only screw the cap. Number 4, suppose you are traveling by bus, you feel dizzy, you need to sit by the window, then you wanna request someone, ভাই আপনার সিটটা যদি একটু দিতেন, আমাকে ওই সিটে বসে দিতেন, মাথা ঘুরতেছে, একটু বমি বমি লাগতেছে। You can say I feel sick, could you swap the places? Number 5, গামছাটা চিপে রোদে দাও। Yeah, the only thing you need the English word for chipe, and the verb is a squeeze. Okay, so now you can easily translate this, no problem. So number 6, she tomar ki hoy? Can you guess? You may say what is the relation between you? It can be said, but long sentences. Rather you say what is he to you? Or number 7, পৃষ্ঠাটি কেন ছিঁড়ে ফেললেন? Here we have to use a phrasal verb, rip out, and the sentence is why did you rip out the page? It also means remove something from somewhere. So number 8, remember you sat by the window and still you feel dizzy, uncomfortable, then you want to almost lie down, and you can increase the angle between 2 parts of the seat. In Bengali সিটটা হালাই দেন, ধরেন একটু শুইতে চান, এরকম আর কি বাসে। English people say please recline my seat. Number 9, most important thing we do many times in a day. When someone asks tell me one sentence in English, we say I eat rice, but we have rice on average 3 times, but sometimes we do more than that something. What is that? আমি 1 নাম্বার করতে চাই, I want to pee. And finally what we do at least one day, আমি 2 নাম্বার করতে চাই, সারা জীবন আই ট্রাইস বলে শুধু খাইলেন, এইবার খালি করবেন প্লিজ। Let's do it. Oh, sorry, no, let's translate it. In family we could say I wanna poop. Thank you everybody for being with me, and bye bye until the next video.